Okay, this is the 15 marks question based on ETC. Based on ETC. In this question, from the following particulars given below, calculate the amount of deduction under section ETC. They asked to calculate deduction under section ETC. In case of the following individuals, there are two persons. First individual is Mr. Ram. Second individual is Mr. Sham. Okay. You may calculate separately or you may calculate in a columnar form. So, subscription to National Savings Certificate is eligible amount. First column 20,000, second column 10,000. These two are eligible. And in accrued interest on NSC is also eligible deduction. Is also eligible for deduction, etc. Then 5 years nationalized bank term deposit. Term deposit means fixed deposit. Fixed deposit with nationalized bank for 5 years or more than 5 years is eligible. Less than 5 years is not eligible. Remember this. 5 years is eligible. So 5,000 first column, second column 3,000 eligible. Next is life insurance premium. Life insurance premium paid on wife life is eligible. Wife life is eligible. Then life insurance premium paid on father's life. Father's life is not eligible. Father's life is not eligible for deduction. Next point is subscription to home loan account, National Housing Bank. Home loan account, National Housing Bank is eligible. Principal is eligible and you consider this as a principal. Nothing is mentioned here, principal and interest. You consider that as a principal and give the deduction. Okay. Investment in approved shares and debentures. Investment in approved shares and debentures also comes under the ETC. The first and second amounts are eligible. Then next is amount paid to unit linked insurance plan. This is also eligible amount. Then payment to a deferred annuity plan of LIC, ATCCC. It is eligible. Then contribution to unit linked insurance plan. Contribution to units of special mutual fund. This is also eligible. Okay, all the amounts are eligible. Only one point is not allowed. That is insurance premium on father's life. This is not allowed. Okay, and all the remaining points are allowable. You take the Mr. Ram's amount in the first column. You take the Mr. Shyam's amount in the second column. Then take the total. That will give you qualify amount. Then you take the maximum limit. And whichever is less is the amount of deduction. Amount of deduction. Okay. So you see here computation of deduction under section ETC for the assessment year 2021. For the year 2021. Particular first column is for Mr. Ram. Second column is for Mr. Sham. First point is subscription to National Savings Certificate 8th issue. First column 20,000, second column 10,000. Okay. Second is accrued interest on NSC. Accrued interest on NSC, National Savings Certificate is First column 4,000, second column 2,000. Second column 2,000. The next point is 5 years deposit in bank. 5 years deposit in bank. First column 5,000, second column 3,000. Okay, is the eligible amount. Next is life insurance premium on wife's life, allowable. First column. Second column, there is no amount. Then life insurance premium father's life. Father's life is not allowable. It is not allowable or not allowed. Okay. Then next point is repayment of housing loan. In connection with repayment of housing loan, first column is 50,000. Ram amount is 50,000. Sham amount is nil. Then investment in approved shares and debentures. Amount invested in approved shares and debentures comes under the deduction. It is 30,000. First column, and second column 15,000. Okay. And thereafter, the next is contribution to unit linked insurance plan. Contribution to unit linked insurance plan. First column is 8,000. Allowable. The next is deferred plan of LIC. Deferred plan of LIC is also comes under the 80C. Second column 2,500. Next is subscription to units of specified mutual fund. Specified mutual fund is also eligible. Second column 3,500. Okay, these are the savings and investments. These are the savings and investments. You take the total, and the total is called as qualify amount. The total is called as qualify amount. So first column 1,20,000, second column 56,000. Second column 56,000. $56,000 is the second column. Okay, 1,20,000, second column 56,000, qualify amount. In the next point, we take maximum limit. Maximum limit for ATC is 1,50,000 for Ram and 1,50,000 for Sham. Okay, out of these two amount, whichever is less is eligible deduction. Out of these two, whichever is less means the less amount is, first is 1,20,000, second is 56,000. So first column 1,20,000, second column 56,000. So amount of deduction under section 80C is Mr. Ram 1,20,000, Mr. Sham 56,000. This is the deduction under section 80C. Okay. In this way, you have to solve the problem based on 80C. If only one person is there, you take only one column. If there are two persons, you make two columns and calculate like this. It is the calculation of 80C. Then come to the second question. The first question is completed. Come to the second question. Second question is Sri Ram's gross total income for the previous year is 48 lakh. Sri Ram has given the details of income. His gross total income is 48 lakh. 48 lakh is gross total income. This you considered for calculation of adjusted GTI. Okay. You see here. First point, he makes the following donations. He makes the following donations. The first donation is donation to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation word is here. First is 50,000. Okay. So in the first category, first time you sort them. You make sorting. In the sorting, first category items, second category items. You remember only A to G point. You remember only A to G points. Point number A to G. A to G. So this is not A to G item. This is the first category item coming under 26 items. This items comes under first 26 items. Okay. So it comes to outer column. This comes to outer column. Then next is Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund. This is also national level, not related to A to G. Not related to A to G, comes to the outer column. Okay. Then next is National Foundation for Communal Harmony. National Foundation for Communal Harmony is national word is there, so it comes under the first category. It comes under the first category, goes to outer column. Okay. So in this way, you have to sort. You make sorting between inner column and outer column. Inner column items are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, second category. And remaining all outer column. So first point is outer column amount. Second point is also outer column amount. Third is also outer column amount. Fourth is Prime Minister, National Relief Fund. This is coming under the first category. Goes to outer column. The next is Prime Minister, Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund. This is also first category. Goes to outer column. Next is Andhra Pradesh, Chief Minister, Cyclone Relief Fund. Andhra Pradesh Cyclone Relief Fund, Chief Minister. So this is also first category. Goes to outer column. National Defense Fund. National Defense Fund. This is first category. Goes to outer column. Then this is first category. Second is also first category. Third is also first category. Fourth is first category. Fifth point is also first category. Sixth is also first category. And seventh is also first category. Eighth point, National Defense Fund is also first category, goes to outer column. National Children's Fund is also first category, goes to outer column. Next is Hubli Municipal Corporation opening for Girls High School. Open for Girls High School at Hubli, which will be not for national eminence. Girls High School. You see opening the girls school. Girls school means educational institution. Girls school is the educational institution. So it is the second category point. This is coming under second category. This is second category item. So this point comes to the inner column. This point comes to the inner column. Remember this. Okay. You see the next. A to H. A to H comes in the outer column. Remember this. Because all A to H are relating to first 26 points. First 26 points. Then Hubli Municipal Corporation for opening girls high school is for educational purpose. Educational purpose comes under the second category. So this is the point. This is relating to the second category. This point is related to second category. Okay. And next is 2 lakh rupee for renovation of church. 2 lakh rupee for renovation of church, which was notified by the central government as a public worship. Church is here. So I told church, mandir, masjid, mosque comes under the second category. So this is the second category item. This is also second category item. The next is repairs to Taj Mahal. Repairs to Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is means mosque. This is the renowned historical building. So this is also comes under the second category. This is also comes under the second category. Okay. And next is rupees 10,000 worth cloths given to orphanage. So cloths given is not eligible. Donation in the form of kind is not eligible. Donation in the form of kind is not eligible. So this point is not considered. Next is 1,50,000 to recognize educational institution. 1,50,000 to recognize educational institution. Educational institution comes under the second category. So this is also second category point. Second category point. And this is also for not for national eminence. Remember this. If it is for national eminence, first comes under the first category. Remember this point. National eminence comes under the first category. You check the wording while taking the amount. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಟೀಟಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪು. ಟೀಟಾ. Then next point is Karnataka government, Karnataka state government for promotion of family planning. Promotion of family planning word is here. Promotion of family planning word is very important. That is second category A point. This is the second category A point. Okay. You see this. A to H point in this problem. A to H point comes under first category, goes to outer column. And I to N are the inner column items. Comes under the second category. Comes under the second category, you take in the inner column. After taking the inner column and outer column, you take the inner column total. You take the inner column total. Okay. You take the inner column total and thereafter take the 10% of adjusted GTI. 10% of adjusted GTI. Okay. GTI means gross total income. Gross total income is 4,48 lakh. 48 lakh is the gross total income. And out of this 48 lakh, you deduct three items. One is capital gain, second is share of association of person, and third is relating to other deduction. So there is no other deduction, there is no capital gain, there is no share of association of person. So 4,80,000 into 10%. Oh, sorry, 48 lakh into 10%. That is 4,80,000. 4,80,000 or inner column, whichever is less goes to outer column. And take the total of outer column, that is qualify amount. Thereafter deduction. How to take the deduction? Outer column, all items you take except 4. Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal and dot relief fund. Leave the 4 and take the all. From the inner column, you take only 2. One is promotion of family planning. Second is Olympic game. Okay, in this way you take and close the table. This is the way of solution. This is the way of solution, and I think it is boring to you people. I'll take tomorrow.